Got new seals. It's a new day. Hopefully the seals are going in. Hopefully the drive shaft's getting connected. Hopefully the gears are going back in. Hopefully the brakes are all getting on. Hopefully I'll be driving this by the end of it. So trying to figure out how to route this brake line. I was thinking maybe I should do this and mount this on top. It's kind of hard to figure out where to mount this exactly, but my one buddy brought up the point that my bump stop that's right above right here will probably come down and smash this line. So I'm going to try to rotate this a little bit to this side, so when the bump stop comes down it should hit here and the brake line should clear. But kit's kind of hard because it's kind of hard to figure out where to get this soft line at. Whenever I get this on, I'll see if I can maybe put this on the block that way, but if I'm going the way it was before, I have to go this way. I don't know if the clearance on that will make this work, so if it does, then that would be better, but it's kind of hard to tell without actually taking this line off yet, which I don't want to do. I want to wait till the end because there's still brake fluid to these since I connected those up earlier. Alright guys, sorry, I'm like, this is my last day pretty much to work on this. It's Wednesday today, can't really do anything tomorrow, Thursday, and then Friday, I just want to load the Jeep up and then be able to leave Saturday morning. So I don't want to work on Friday, trying to get everything done tonight, so been kind of lacking on getting the video, so I apologize. But I got the tabs welded in on either side, I got the bolt welded here for the splitter, so that's in. So the hard lines are connected to the soft lines, and the soft lines are just hanging here until I can go ahead and attach these lines. And then once I get each line attached, I'll work on the one going to the master cylinder, which is hanging down, the one I need to connect down there. So I need to get the axles in so I can put the rotors on, so I can put the pads on, so this is solid. So to do that, finally need to put the carrier and the ring gear in. So this is all cleaned out, pinions in, clean down the surface down here before I put anything in so I don't get crap in there. So I just have to clean the ring gear off and everything. I gotta spray that down with some brake clean, throw that in, and go ahead and get C-clips in, cover it up. Get the axles in, put the C-clips in, cover it up. It'll be ready for oil. And then just do the brakes. So hopefully we're getting pretty close to being done. Oh, I still have to do the drive shaft. The only thing with that is before these were U-joint straps that were on here. Now I need these clips, but they don't sell these clips at the store, at least advanced. So I have to figure out where to get those. I have spare drive. I have a few spare U-joints, so I need to check to see if maybe I can just get the clips off of those. So I want to be able to get this done tonight. Here we go. Locker's working. Well guys, it's done. It's finally in. I was really rushing at the end. It's now 10:46 at night. And I think I started about 3 today. But it's finally in. That's weird. I wonder what that is. That might be the brake fluid from when we bled the brakes. I think that's probably what it is. Let's wipe that up. Anyway, axle's in, mounted up, brake lines are in, and I'm gonna have to route them a little better on the other side, the hard lines, but those are in, breather's in, it's all in. Backed it out and forgot my trailer was actually pretty close. Just tried to make it and couldn't get back out. So I'd push the trailer out, then move the Jeep. We were fine. But drove it down the road and having that locked in the back, definitely makes a difference going around turns. I have to get used to that. So it's finally done. Gonna drive it around a little bit. Still have a couple days to do any tweaks if I need. And then take a wheel on Saturday. And hopefully it does well. I'm super anxious to see how it does. But, you know, there's some corners, lots of corners we cut, but we're doing it real fast just to get it in. And it's just how it's gonna have to be. And we'll do some cleaning up later on. I still gotta throw a little bit of paint on it. But it's done. One thing is, I don't know if maybe I just need to check the torque on the springs, but it's really sagging to the left. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. The camera's kind of level right there. Really sagging to the left over here. So I don't know, but not all that concerned about it. So hopefully this is all done and wrapped up, and I'd say that's going to be it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like it, tell me what you think in the comments, click subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects and wheeling trips. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to catch posts of videos in the making. See you next time.